Hello everyone. Today we are here. Our group name is Code Titans. We are here for Satkaam Community Exam VIIT for a case study, a situation in an electric scooter company. So we are from computer engineering department, and the first question is the company wants to do an analysis of app and what it needs to improve it. A mind map the top 10 features you would want in an app for the electric scooter and explain which are the top 5 features and why would most useful and why. So top five features would be real-time battery and range info, smart route planning, charging alerts, location tracking and geofencing, and intuitive user interface. So next question is list the potential reasons for any two of the issues which the continuous have completed customers have completed about and write the test scenarios you would use to text and ensure they have been fine. So issue one is uncomfortable on gravel. The cause is suspension design and wheel diameter. So the test scenarios are ride comfort test and shock absorbance performance. And the issue two is charge deplete without a warning. Cause is inaccurate battery estimation algorithm and test scenarios is low battery simulation or battery percentage drop test. Now, next question.
Use the inside and outside in technique.
Atharva, you are inaudible.
हाँ, अभी खोल रही हो। Use the inside out and outside in technique of releasing a product to the market and list top five things you would do inside out planning. Release the new app to market and outside in planning for releasing new app. Inside out planning. Define the core features of the app aligned with the EV services. Utilize internal teams for development, design, and system integration. Conduct internal testing and ensure security and optimize performance. Align app launch with company objectives. Create a structured roadmap with timelines. Outside in planning. Conduct market research to identify user needs and competitor gaps. Gather feedback through surveys, pilot testing, and focus groups. Analyze EV industry trends, policies, and customer behavior. Prior- Prioritize features that directly solve user problems and enhance experience. From EV strategic partners with EV networks, OEMs, and service providers. The company would like the app have intelligence and provide recommendation to driver. What kind of data should the app collect from the vehicle and what kind of recommendations can be done? Is there any possibility of to use ML or AI for the analysis and if so, what can be the use cases? Data to collect battery temperature, charge cycles, usage patterns and speed and location. Recommendations possible. Charge now based on route, battery health degrading, service needed, riding patterns improvement. ML AI use cases. Predictive maintenance, energy efficiency optimization, usage based insurance suggestions. Next slide.
Atharva, please continue.
So now Pawan will continue.
Pawan, please continue.
Okay, sir. The company would like the app to have intelligence and provide recommendations to the driver. What kind of data should the app collect from the vehicle, and what kind of recommendations can be done? Is there a possibility to use ML and or AI for this analysis, and if so, what can be the use cases? Data to collect battery temp, charge cycles, usage patterns, terrain, speed, location, recommendation possible, charge now based on route, battery health, degrading, service needed, riding pattern improvement, ML AI use cases, predictive maintenance, energy efficiency, optimization, usage based insurance suggestions, app intelligence and recommendations. So for data to collect battery temp, charge cycles, usage patterns, terrain, speed, location, and recommendations charge now based on route, battery health degrading, service needed, riding pattern improvement, ML AI use cases, predictive maintenance, energy efficiency optimization, usage based insurance suggestions. Use the product solutioning concept and create a mind map for the new version of the vehicle explaining the goals, features, UI changes, UX changes, and UI changes. If any you want to target in the store. Keynotes go lightweight, profitable, zero major issues, UX, smooth UI, voice assistant, UI card-based layout, large font, features, map, storage, fast charging, feedback, smart alert, analytics dashboard, a new vehicle version, goal, lightweight, profitable, zero major issues, UX, smooth UI, voice assistant, feature, map, storage, feedback, smart alert, analytics dashboard, in UI, card-based layout, and feedback analytics dashboard.
The company is collecting the data in the cloud already, but have had performance issues to collect the data, and update the app. What can be the reasons for that, and what would need to be improved for the data integration from the vehicle to the cloud and to send the data post analysis to the app? Problems and causes are latency in data sync, app showing outdated, possible causes, poor API latency, unoptimized backend triggers, inconsistent message queues. Fixes are recommended fixes. Implement real-time streaming, MQTT, use changing layers for frequent data, improve backend data model for consistency. Next, if you want to write detailed test scenarios for testing the battery of the vehicle, what all would be the top 10-20 scenarios? Create a mind map and do a relative priority of the test scenarios based on most important to least important. Top scenarios: navigation assistance P1, remote lock or unlock, charging status P1, ride history P1, document storage, service reminders, battery optimizations, service reminders, vehicle diagnostics P1, and user settings. Next, what can be a very user-friendly design of the tablet dashboard UI on the vehicle? What data should it show? Draw the UI using pen and paper and submit a picture. Also write the ways in which the user would use the touch screen to interact with the UI. Comment on what the UI would have by default and how the user can navigate on the UI and what all functions it should have, with the goal of keeping it easy to use. Default information, speed, battery percentage, estimated range, live map with current location, time, weather, temperature plus icon. Thank you.
So this was all from us. Thank you so much.